G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own car parts with Onshape. So the first thing we're going to do is something really easy. We're going to make a washer bottle lid. So what you need to do is go to onshape.com and then make yourself a free account and sign in, and you're going to see a page, but you're not going to have all that there. Go up to Create, click on Create, go to Document, click on Document, name your thing. We're going to call it a washer bottle lid, and spell it correctly. Doesn't matter, you can spell it incorrectly if you like. I usually do. Washer bottle lid, then click Public Document. There we go. So it opens up now. I'm going to click on the top of that square there like this, and just for shits and giggles I'm going to hide these by just clicking that one there and that one there. Right now, first thing I'm going to do is click sketch, and it's going to say where do you want to sketch. We want to sketch on the top here, so we just click the top and you'll see the tick turns green, so it means we're ready to go. And we go up to the circle because we want to draw a circle. If we do the little triangle there, it says you've got a 3-point circle, ellipse, or center point circle. We want center point, so we'll just leave it where it is. Click back on there. Might have to do it again. Go over to the circle, right, and then you'll see your little symbol come up. You can then just drag that out with your left-hand mouse click. Just drag it out to any size. Don't bother trying to get it right. The measurements we need are 29.5 on the inside and 38 on the outside. So we need to leave room for a wall. So what we'll do is we'll go, just type in 39 and enter. And there's our 39. We're going to go over and we're going to click the arrow to say, yes, we've finished that. And then we're going to click back on our circle there, so it's highlighted, and go up to where it says extrude, and we're going to click extrude. It wants to know now how far it wants to go. So it's just the top of our lid. We're going to do 1 millimeter by typing 1, press enter, then press your tick, and then with your right hand mouse you can orientate the circle and you'll see that it's now a 3D object. So we'll go back over and click top again to recenter it. And we're going to go to sketch. Wants to know where do we want to sketch. Well, we want to sketch there on the top plane, so we'll click on that again and it highlights it. We'll go back over to our circle and click on that, and we're just going to drag it out on the inside anywhere by just letting it go and then typing in, we want our wall to be 1 millimeter, so we'll type in 38 millimeters, and then that's 1 millimeter difference now. We'll go up here, we'll click OK, that's good. We're going to zoom in by using our center mouse wheel, and then we're going to highlight that center, that rim that we've just made, and go up here and click extrude, and it wants to know how far out we want to go. We only need to go about 10 mils, I guess. And then click the arrow, the tick, to say OK, and we can zoom back out again, and using our right mouse button we can orientate it, and you can see now it's a cap, now it's an object. So we want to do our little center circle to help it grip. You don't have to, obviously, but we're going to show you how to do that anyway. So let's go back up and click sketch. It wants to know where we want to sketch. We want to sketch on the inside of that, so we click there, and then we go back up and we do another circle. And we'll just open that up like such, and our interior is 28.5, so 28.5, and then click enter. So then just put it back onto the front here, and we're going to draw another circle on the inside of that and let it go, and we'll say that is 29.5. There we go, that just done our center circle. Now we'll just zoom on in and click OK, and then we're going to do the same again. We're going to highlight that whole thing. If you just do that one line will come up. So you got to click it in the middle like such, and then go extrude, and we want it to be, say, I don't know, 4 mils. So we'll click 4 and then say OK, that's what we want. We can use our right hand mouse button to orientate it, and there you can see we have got our lid. So then what we do is we go over and it says part 1 or whatever you've named it. If you've named it differently, we'll then go export. It'll come up with just a random ass name, so put in there your bottle lid and then click export. It's going to want to know where you want to put it. Obviously we're just going to shove it onto our desktop, and that's it. Congratulations, you've made your first car part. Now just take it into your slicer, slice it, chuck it in your printer, print it, and put it on your car. If it fits, good. If it doesn't, come back, do it again. Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. If you could use a good laugh, then check out my review channel. It's got over 100 hilarious videos on there. Big shout out to my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson, Legend Boys. If you want to be a legend as well, follow the links to Patreon, where members get to speak to me live and get videos sent to you early, as well as knowing you're helping out a creator. But if you're broke like me and still want to help, next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe you hate your neighbours, in which case you could turn it up nice and loud. Oh well, you all be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music! Techno.
Cosmo, rail.